What's up, you scallywags? It is Tactical Pirate, asking you a question. If you had to answer this question, what is your favorite thing about Airsoft and why? What would you write down below? Go ahead and write down below what you enjoy about Airsoft. Mine would have to be the community and the people that you get to meet in Airsoft. You get to meet pretty interesting people out there in Airsoft community. And I get to dress up, pretend to be a crazy lunatic pirate on the field. Who wouldn't love to do that? Alright, so go ahead and write down in the comments down below what is your favorite thing and why. And this is Tactical Pirate signing off, and I will see you on the field. Cut it. Please cut it. I have nothing else to say. I'm here by myself. Bye.